My dear students, as my online class is not clear in accounting, I decided to send the video clip. Okay, you have to watch. Today I am sending the video clip for question number 16. Pass the journal entry. So first of all, I am write three. Actually, mainly, if you want, you can write LF column also. No need. Okay, LF columns. If you want, you can write. First of all, date. Okay, date. Then particular. Okay, particular, then which one? Debit credit. Okay, date, particular, debit credit. The next one is first transaction is January 5 purchased goods for cash rupees 10,000 and spend 200 for their carriage, isn't it? So beta, you have to think one thing. This January 5, there is a date. I am writing date January 5. Then next time read the transaction. Purchased goods for cash, purchased goods for cash, purchased goods for cash rupees 10,000 and spend 200 for carriage. Beta bolo, what is a purchased goods for cash? That is purchase. So I am writing purchase account. Okay, purchase account debit. One carriage is there. The carriages belong to purchase. We can say carriage inwards. It is an example of expense. It is debit side, isn't it? Carriage belong to purchase. We can say carriage inwards. Carriage inwards is an example of expense. All the expense are debited. So we are writing debit side, isn't it? Right? Then to which one? To cash account. To cash account. What is the amount? Purchase is 10,000, isn't it? Carriage is 2,000, okay, 200. Carriage is 200. Total cash is 10,000 plus 200. That is 10,200. Okay, 10,200. What is the narration? The narration is goods purchased for cash. Goods purchased for cash. Purchased for cash. So first journal entry finish. Okay. Next I am going for the January 10. January 10 date write karo. Okay. First you have to write the date, isn't it? Next, purchased machinery for cash 50,000. Okay. Beta, machinery is an example of non-current asset or fixed asset which we can use for many years. So any fixed asset like machinery, motor van, building brought means you must write that fixed asset name, isn't it? Clear? So I am writing machinery account, isn't it? Machinery account debit, isn't it? Machinery account debit. Then which one bolo? Then which one bolo? Debit. Then spend carriage. I told you that that is spend carriage. Any expense spend along with the purchasing of fixed asset or non-current asset, the amount total add karo. How do you add the amount? 50,000 plus 500. Okay, that is 50,500. 50,500. Debit to which account? Cash account. Cash goes out, isn't it? Debit to cash account 50,500. What is the narration? You tell me. What is the narration? Narration is machinery purchased. That is enough. Machinery purchased, isn't it? Machinery purchased. That is enough. There is a narration for this. Okay, isn't it? The next one is January 15. Okay, January 15. What you have to do is paid cement, beta cement, then which one? Timber, then wages. This all for the building. No, building is an example of which one? Building in example of asset or non-current asset or a fixed asset. The asset which can be used for many years, that is called fixed asset or non-current asset. Fixed asset or non-current asset. Such case, building will come debit side because it is similar to the cement, timber and wages we are spending for making building. So building will come debit side, isn't it? Building account debit to which one bolo? Building account debit to cash account. Cash account. What is the amount? Cash account. Okay. Building account debit to cash account. The amount is Amount is 20,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000. Okay. 3 amount add karo, that is 35,000. 35,000, isn't it? 35,000, 35,000. So what is the narration? Narration, nothing else. Narration you write which one? Cement for, cement for 20,000. Trimmer for कितने? Trimmer for 10,000 and wages for 5,000. Isn't it? This is the narration. Up to this finish. Okay. So January 15 transaction. Oh yeah. Next we are going to do the next one. Okay. Next one continuously we can do it. So I am going to the second page. Okay. I am going to the second page. Same thing I am drawing debit and credit. Okay. Same thing I am drawing debit and credit. You see, I am drawing debit and credit. Isn't it? Debit and credit. Then continue with this one. Date column is there. So first of all, I write the date. What is the next date bolo? What is the next date? The next date is January 17. Date first you write. Okay. Then purchased old machinery. Purchased old machinery for 20,000. Very easy. Purchase old machinery for 20,000. Then spend repairing 22,500. Beta, any fixed asset we purchased means there any expense or any money spent along with the new buying of fixed asset or non-current asset like machinery, motor and building. You have to add with that fixed asset or non-current asset, isn't it? Okay, that means which one? That means we can write which one? Machinery account debit, machinery account debit, then to cash account. Okay, what is the total amount? The total amount is 20,000 plus 2,500. Okay, what is the answer? 22,500. Okay, 22,500. Isn't it clear? Okay, what is the narration? Purchased machinery 20,000 and repair 2,500. Enough. No need of more tension. Okay, like that enough. Okay, then next one is January 20 paid repairing. Repairing is an example of which one? Expenses. All the expenses are debited. So January 20 repairing is an example of expenses. So I am writing repair account. Repair is an example of which one? Expenses. Repair is an example of which one? Expenses. All the expenses are debited. Isn't it? All the expenses are debited. What is the amount? The amount is which one? The amount is 500. The account debit to which account? Debit to cash account. That is being repair cost 500. Enough. Any narration we can write. Repair account debit to cash account 500. So this question answer is over here. Any doubt means you can ask me. Then if you want you can write the total. Total not compulsory. If you want you can write the total. That is 118,700. Okay. 118,700. Isn't it? Okay. Finally you write the total, no problem. In between that no need of writing the total. Debit and credit same only, isn't it? Clear? Okay.